The Shake and Vibration tab is additional camera effects for shake and G-force vibrations. So it can be turned on and off with this tick box, and it's also got a entry in the add-on menu right here. The other thing you can obviously do is in your controller bindings we can assign a POV or a button to turn that on and off as well, so that might be preferable. Individual XYZ axis, so these can be turned on and off. The slider here is how much movement will be generated for a particular G-force, so those are also individually adjustable. The damping count is how fast the displacement occurs, so you can either have a sort of slower rhythmic shake or a fast jerking shake. VC view multiplier basically scales all of these up and down simultaneously. So if you find that the VC is not shaking around enough, you can just increase this or decrease this. Exterior view is for your wingtip views and so on. That's the same thing, a multiplier for those. The spoiler and side slip. So if your aircraft or glider has spoilers on, then you'll get shake when those are deployed, and the same when your side slip angle is above a threshold, you'll start to get shake that way as well. Ground roll vibration is dependent on surface, so there's a multiplier for the ground roll and a second multiplier for how much more significant the shake is on rough surfaces. Now the shake can be with XYZ camera movements only, or with pitch and bank camera movements, or all 5 of those. The pitch and the bank have multipliers that you can scale as well. The simulate ground roll, that's basically just so you can tune it a wee bit for your shake on your ground roll vibration. Rather than trying to control the aircraft and tune it, you can just simulate the shake. So the slider adjusts the speed and you'll see the effect. So let's say I want to play with the amplitude, so that's getting more significant. And then I can turn that off again. So probably what's best is if I set up side by side split screen, so you can see a with and without, is the best way of demonstrating what this does. So this is with all of those 5 degrees of freedom on. So I'll go to XYZ only, so that's that there. Pitch and bank only is like so. So we see we're not getting any backwards, forwards, up, down movement here, we're just getting tilt. So you can exacerbate those movements with those sliders. And the same with the pitch. Oops, sorry, that was going lower. So if I want to increase that movement further, I'll increase the exterior multiplier slider. So that's on the maximum there at the moment.